In this video, we will be showing you how to use Restful API as deployed in many software products, including Microsoft Excel, Microsoft BI, and other cloud applications, and to get data from the TankScan system. So in the Excel situation, I go to the Data tab, I go to the Get Data from other sources and from the web. I put in my URL string of where my server and data and table is. And so this is the S12 Remote Aware server. My information is in the folder API/v 1.0, and the table is current asset reading. I'm going to use basic username and password to enter, and then I'll make a connection. Here is the connection, and we'll go ahead and refresh, and it found 343 records in this TankScan connection. From here I can convert to a table. I can use the default settings and hit OK, and I can hit this expand button, and here are all the fields that are available from this current asset reading table. I'll go ahead and, pick a handful of these at the front, okay? And hit OK. And here is the asset ID and some ID numbers used by the database to keep track of things. The asset name and or tank name is here, a location name. Is it in an alert or is an alert setup status? The current value of the measurement, the reading stamp of the measurement, and then these are the field labels on what that measurement is and the units of the measurement. So if I went back here, this battery is 95% good, and it's reading a 12.94 full gallons. It is how you make a connection into the TankScan information using Restful API and Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.